Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video about my 14th vintage collection early 2000s Super Majestic Deluxe ceiling fan. This fan sweeps 52 inches and consumes 55 watts. This fan has reverse switch and light kit. It has 4 wooden blades. I got the fan with 2 glass shades which belong to light fixture. Down rod of the fan with canopy, shackle kit and safety screws. Here I had cleaned the fan. Next I am going to assemble the fan. Removing the quarter pin and the bolt from the motor part, and removing the safety screw from the down rod. Inserting the wire into the down rod. And fixing the safety screw and bolt. Inserting the split washer and the quarter pin on the bolt part. Fixing the canopy. Shackle and safety screw on the down rod part. Now I am hanging the fan. Tighten the nut fully. Now I have connected the wire as mentioned. Black wire is for fan and blue one is for light, and neutral is common for both. And now I am raising the canopy. Let's check the motor. Yes, it is working. Next I am going to fix the blade. Now I am fitting the blade. The glass shade should be fixed like it is supported on the roof of the light fixture. I have bought 4 into 7 watt bulb for the light fixture. Installation completed. Let's test the fan. Nice airflow. And looks beautiful. Let's test in reverse mode. Works so good. So guys, like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.